My name's Rachel de Thample and we are here in the River Cottage kitchen garden to learn next step fermentation. I have really grown to love fermentation through both flavour and health, and this one's multiplying, which is quite useful. Fermentation is this wonderful process where you basically bring food to life. This is good bacteria that feed your gut, that helps keep you in top condition, helps your brain thrive, your whole digestive system take in all the nutrients from the food you eat in a much more efficient way. The bacteria and yeast are feeding off of all of the starches and sugars. Fermenting is a way of preserving food, and it's a way of capturing seasonal abundance. So you can take anything in this garden actually and ferment it. And I always make that my challenge, is to find new things that I can ferment. This is 3-year-old lime. You can see when I'm cutting it, it looks a bit like an olive and it has very similar flavor profile. And what I want to do on these courses is to teach you that you can bring these amazing, complex, healthy, really diverse foods into your diet, but in a really simple way. It's really delicious. You can probably eat it like cheese. It's so nice. This is the next level. We're going to be a bit more complex. We're going to use slightly more exotic ingredients, but it's also, open to people who are new to fermentations. Learning with Experts is a fantastic platform where you, the student, get to interact with me, the teacher. I'm here to guide you and to help inspire you and to help get you to the next level of fermentation.